Alrighty, today I want to go over a cool feature that I really like in Revit. It's called the mirror. So I'm just gonna create a little box here. Alright, so say this is like a house. We're gonna have like, I don't know, like a room there. Maybe like a little hallway, something there. Put like the door over here, there. Maybe put one in the front. Get like a couple windows. I know. Yeah, just like throwing a desk. Maybe like maybe like a tree. It's gonna be in the house. It's a Christmas tree. There we go. So anyways, you got all the stuff right here. Your whole kind of building, but it's like an apartment, and you want it the same. So instead of trying to do all that work over there, what you can do is simply select everything you've made. You can also hold down the control key to add more items. So you've selected all the things that you want to copy over there. Then you're going to click this button here. It's the mirror button. So on the mirror, now this axis right here, and you can click right there. And boom, it mirrored everything that you did right over there. So super handy tool, especially when you're doing a whole lot of stuff. And yeah, that's it.